Say goodbye to cough and sore throat. Drink 1 cup of this powerful natural drink to cleanse your lungs, soothe your cough, relieve sore throat, boost your immunity, and clear your respiratory tract. First, take an onion and cut it into pieces. Onion helps reduce inflammation and clears mucus from the respiratory tract. Next, take 3 cloves of garlic and slice them. It boosts immunity and reduces throat inflammation. Before continuing, please comment "Thank you" to support my work and encouragement. Now, in a pot, place half a liter of water along with the ingredients. Next, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and cook over high heat. It improves blood circulation, which can enhance overall respiratory function. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then strain it. Finally, add 3 teaspoons of honey. Let us know which country this video has found you. How to take it. Have a cup of this drink every day on an empty stomach for 1 week, and your lungs will be as good as new. Your cough and sore throat will disappear, and your breathing quality will improve. If you like